Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let's discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What is Web Dynpro for ABAP? Web Dynpro is an SAP standard user interfaces technology for ABAP and is used for developing the web-based application in SAP using the development concept and technologies of SAP. It provides a front-end web user interface for connection with back-end SAP R/3 systems to access data and also for reporting. It has a graphical development environment along with a runtime environment that has specific development tools that are combined in ABAP workbench. Thank you.